Lisa with WTI. If you're looking for a versatile ring light, you have found the right one here. Let me show you why. This newest 13-inch selfie ring light is so unique because it's a selfie stick and a ring light. It's so easy to make it or convert it into a selfie stick in literally less than 5 minutes. Something very unique is that the selfie stick, it's adjustable. So you can literally extend it up to 63 inches, making it very unique and for everybody or everything to fit in your picture. You can either carry it in your backpack or just carry it with you anywhere you go since it's pretty practical size. Once you want to make this into a ring light, it's so easy to adjust. You literally take less than 5 minutes to put it all together. You assemble that ring light and you're gonna see that it's also adjustable. You can either have a short, small ring light for your desk, or you can have it big at 75 inches tall. Pretty amazing. You're gonna see also that it has adjustable color, giving you 3 color lighting in 3 modes, which is pretty unique. According to what you need and also the brightness, you can always adjust it. This is perfect for any meetings, for making videos, or even photography. So if you're trying to keep it simple by not having multiple items, I highly recommend this ring light with a selfie stick, and that is just my point of view.